I'm trying a viral cinnamon roll hack. I've got my butter wrapper here and I'm greasing my pan. The recipe I saw called for grams, but we'll try this. All right, then this said to take heavy cream and just pour it over the top. Now, this cream was in the freezer, so it separated a little bit. So if you do that, just shake it up over the top of everything. And then I guess we'll just bake it and see what happens. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, this looks delicious. I don't know. Okay, let's see. What do we got here? Okay, well, they don't look any different. Well, let's see if they taste different. Okay, well, big whoop-de-ding. Okay, whoever told you to just pour whipped cream over the top, just ignore them. They have no clue what they're talking about. Okay, my boys will eat it, but I would say that viral TikTok hack is a waste of time. Okay, let me put on the frosting packets here. Okay, let's see if the frosting does anything different. Nope, just regular cinnamon rolls. I mean, they're still really good, but okay.